Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Robert in North Carolina on this President Lincoln 2 Plus. Robert, got it ready to go for you, bud? It came in here, would only roll down to 8 watts and rolled up to 15, which is way too high on both ends. Had no forward swing and average power, and about 35 or 40 PEP, but would fall back real quick. So went through, did our thing, voltage regulator upgrade as well, and noticed it had the FQP 13N10s. We pulled those, replaced them with the ERF 2030 Pluses for durability. So here we go. RF power all the way down, 5 watt slug, half watt all the way down, roll it up, right at 5 watts all the way up, 50 watt slug and average power. Hello, 22 bird average. Peak power, low, and about 42, 43 peak. Alright, Robert, I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump, bump.